Good day students, welcome to another few questions on coordinate geometry, again based on distance formula. Today we have question number 6 of exercise 7.1. 4 points are given, I have named them P, Q, R and S. These are the 4 points given and you have to name the type of quadrilateral. There are 4 points, so they represent a quadrilateral. You have to name the quadrilateral, that is you have to say whether this is a square, a rectangle, maybe a parallelogram, rhombus or simply a quadrilateral. What is it? Maybe a trapezium. So to find out what is this quadrilateral, again we need to know the distance of all the sides. Suppose any quadrilateral. Now if you know the lengths, suppose PQRS, we need to find the distances PS, SR, QR, PQ. If all the distances are equal, it may be a square. If opposite sides are equal, it may be a rectangle, it may be a parallelogram. We do not know. We need to find out what is this quadrilateral. Okay, so this is question number 6, the first one. So these are the points, I have named them P, Q, R and S. So we will apply distance formula to find the distance between the sides. So first we have PQ. Okay, before it, what is the distance formula? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again children, you may have a problem if is this one x1 or this x1. No problem, you can suppose this as x1 y1 or you can also take this one as x1 y1. There will be no problem. Come on, let's find out PQ. x2 minus x1, x2 is 1 minus x1, x1 is minus 1. So again minus 1, so minus of minus becomes plus whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? y2 is 0 minus y1, y1 is minus 2. So again minus of minus 2, minus minus becomes plus whole square. So this is how much? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 square, that is 4 plus 2 square, again 4. 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. Why 2 root 2? Because root 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. You take out one pair out, what's left? Root 2. So root 8 is 2 root 2. So this can be written as 2 root 2. So we have PQ. Similarly, we find QR. Let us find out Q and R. Minus 1, minus 1. x2 is minus 1 minus x1, that is 1 whole square plus y2, that is 2 minus 0 whole square. So that becomes minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus again 2 square, 4. This is also root 8. This is again 2 root 2. QR. Now RS. RS. So minus 3 minus minus 1. So plus 1 y2 minus y1, that is 2 whole square. So you have minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Again this one 4. This is again root 8 to root 2. PQ, QR, RS. Which side is left? PS. Let's find out PS. X2 minus minus 1. Minus of minus 1. So this becomes plus 1. Plus 0 plus 2 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Plus again 2 square 4. Okay, so we find all the sides are equal. 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2. All the four sides of this quadrilateral are equal. So what can this quadrilateral be? Square? Only square? No, it can be a rhombus also. You know a rhombus has all the sides equal. So this quadrilateral can be a square, maybe a rhombus. Now how to find out whether it's a square or a rhombus? What do? We find the diagonals. For a square, the diagonals are equal. These are the diagonals, they are equal. If it is a rhombus, see the diagonal, this is this one, sorry. One diagonal is greater than the other. So what we need to do? We need to find the diagonals. What are the diagonals? PR and SQ. So come on, let us find out PR. Now we have this P and R. So x2 minus 1 whole square, whole square plus y2, that is 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. That is how much? Minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 square. This much. And which is the other diagonal? Other diagonal is SQ. So come on, let us find out SQ. S and Q. So minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 and this also 0. S and Q, minus 3 minus 1 and 0 and 0. Okay, so this becomes minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 0. So this is 4. So what you now find? All the sides are equal. The two diagonals, they are also equal. So now we are confirmed that this quadrilateral is a square. Okay children, so to find out, when you get all the sides equal, to find out whether the quadrilateral is a square or rhombus, we need to check the diagonals. If the diagonals are equal, it is a square. If the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. Similarly, for a rectangle, if opposite sides are equal, suppose you get PQ equal to SR and PS equal to QR, opposite sides are equal, do not conclude it's a rectangle because it may be a parallelogram also. So again we need to find out the diagonals. We will measure or find out the lengths of the diagonals. If the diagonals are equal, then it is a rectangle, and if the diagonals are not equal, then the figure will be a parallelogram. Okay children, understood this? So thank you. This much for today.